Hi everyone, and welcome to week 14, the coldest week of the year and also the shortest week. We only have 3 days of class this week because Thursday is Thanksgiving. So let's work hard these next couple days and take a break. So the only media I'm offering for you this week has to do with creating videos. So if that's something you're working on for your project, this could be helpful for you. If not, you should be focusing your reading around your project. I would like you to submit a draft of your project to me by Wednesday, then take a break on Thanksgiving, and I will get back with you probably by Friday with a little bit of feedback to kind of see what you're doing well and what you need to do before your final draft is due. Next week we'll do peer review, and then later on in the week the final draft will be due, and then in week 16 we're writing reflections. So the end of the semester is happening quickly. Anyway, I am caught up with grading except for things that came in since Friday. So if you think you have submitted something that I haven't graded, make sure you contact me and make sure there's no miscommunication. And make sure you also check in with me during my office hours tomorrow from 12:30 to 2:30 if you have questions, because I will not have office hours on Thursday. I hope everyone's having a great week. Take care.